Guys, it looks bad. It looks really bad. I'll show you. Man, what happened, guys? What happened? We were so bullish. It was supposed to go to 30 and then 22. Then 22. What happened? So we have to go into the charts and examine what happened. I'm seeing a lot of red in crypto right now. And this doesn't look good, guys. This doesn't look good. So let's get in charts and explain what's happening, where we did wrong or right. So basically, we were looking on the link on 5-minute chart yesterday. We drew this some kind of a resistance line, right? When we were doing a link yesterday, we are somewhere around there, right? So where this line is over here, we are somewhere over here. We had some moving averages even on the 5-minute chart that were keeping the price moving upwards, and you can see after that it did actually go above the line and above our target price about where was it, 23.24, the 23.24, the most important line that we had, right? So we had to go above the 23.24. We had to get out of the triangle. We were keeping the moving averages. The faith was really good, and then suddenly everything changed on the dime. We're gonna examine a little bit more of this line over here, because this line doesn't tell the entire story. So we had some requirements yesterday for us to go to 30, right? Number one requirement was the close above 23.24 line, and the second one is to get out of the triangle. Now, where we did wrong is we did close above 23.24. What we didn't do, on the other hand, let me zoom in a little bit on this. Let me remove the moving averages so you can see this better. What we didn't do is that we didn't close outside of the triangle. We didn't manage to get out of the triangle. We got up above the 23.24 line. That's good. We did not get out of the triangle. You can see here, this was the 23.24 line, right? And on this pump over here, this is day 7 today. We crossed the line and closed above it, and we were supposed to get out of the triangle, but we got rejected back in the triangle. Not only that, we are now on the bottom side of the triangle. So the triangle actually, it looks something like this. Let's remove this line because we just explained the line. The triangle goes from, let's use this one with a magnet, something like this. Let's remove also this one. We are somewhere here, so you can see clearly that because I'm using now top of this one and top of this one over here. I mean, you can say like it's over there, but this is after the second top. You can see here that the price here was trying to get out of the triangle. You see here, right over here, and it couldn't. It wicked up, it got back into it, wicked bigly up, tried really to get out of it. It went all the way 24.8 over there, and that's also very significant line, 24.8. I'll show you. It got rejected right back into the triangle, and after that there was no moving forward because there's just not enough bullish power to move the price further up, and it now going down. So I'll show you that we are really bearish now. I'll show you some technicals that say that we are bearish, and maybe 16 is the target that we should be looking at. I'll show you that as well. But first, the 24.8 line comes from the daily line. This stops over here. There were also a huge resistance line. You can see the price going all the way up to 24.8 before it gets rejected. So all in all, our TA yesterday was kind of sloppy doing the lines on the 5-minute charts. That's good and all, but we should also have the close above the line to be confirmed the bullishness. So we got the 23.24 close above it. What we didn't get is close above the triangle. So this was some kind of triangle. It goes all the way down here. And now we are gonna start talking about the bearishness of all of this. You can draw it something like this, and you can see we are maybe in some kind of triangle still. but then this was the bottom, and this is actually exit out to bottom. We are not drawing it up here, so we're gonna use these and these bottoms, something like that, whichever confirms. This one maybe something like this, something like this, something like this. Yeah, doesn't matter. These all aligns very nicely. So this was the triangle. It's a nice triangle. It's a nice triangle. Let's use this wick over here and see what we get with this. Let me just use this one. Even this one gets out on the on this one over here. You have to put it all the way down here, like with these, but that's too optimistic. I think that's looking for. I don't know what to tell you. Here you can maybe use this one and say this is the right, but with this as well you see that it's going on the downside. It's really bearish, but I won't use this here. I think this is a nicer triangle, and now we are actually breaking out the triangle. We closed below the triangle as well. No, this is 4 hour. Let me see. So yeah, we still are not out of the triangle on the daily, so technically anything can happen. But when you look at the moving averages on the daily, good, but on the 4 hourly we skipped below the 20 and 50 moving average and are being pushed down. So right now we are no longer bullish. We are technically not bearish as well, but we are actually bearish, and I'll show you now on the weekly why I think at least I'm bearish right now. I'll just clean up everything real nice, and I'll show you the bearishness. And it's this over here, man. It's the divergence. This one goes up, this one goes down. Now this doesn't have to hold. This is the weekly divergence, so it's pretty bad. It looks pretty bad. So what can happen is that we just get next week and just start going further up and then push this RSI further up. That can happen, but right now it looks bad. It looks bad. So I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, it's an anticlimax to say the least. The whole week was going doing good with the Chainlink, and then you know, we are supposed to, I was hoping today is gonna be the 30-day that we are gonna get, but we did get rejected at 24.8. We got rejected at the triangle, so there's not much you can do about it. There's not much you can do about it. You're bullish as long as you're bullish, and then when you stop being bullish, when technicals change, you become bearish. Depends on how you draw the triangle. This is the daily, maybe something like this. You know, drawing the triangles is always art, man. Which wicks to use, what bottoms, what tops. However, it looks like it's gonna go on the downside. So that's it for Chainlinks. We did Chainlink like 7 days now, Monday to Sunday. It's gonna be a while before I do Chainlink again. Shame this didn't turn out as we expected. Stuff happens, you know, but if Ivan on Tech is right, it will be top 10 coin at the end of the bull run. So that's something for you. That's something for you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Also, message the Head and Shoulders company. I'm still looking for a sponsor for the video. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care. Tomorrow, something new. Finally.